Good morning, students, and the Jai Hind. I am going to discuss today the last topic of this chapter. Understand? Last topic on the three topics we have focused and so far. Those topics are the women's addressing the women's problem, uh, addressing the Dalit problem, Dalits or the Dalit, women's, women's, Dalit and Dalit and women's and the tribals. Okay, so now we have seen that how the Dalit now made their movements very pressing or very much pressing, and now they still under the terms of the Dalit, they are now expressing they are the very assertive and the very aware of the Dalit word, because through this Dalit word they now get it. They are now getting into the politics, and they now or making their voice very high in the political system, in all system, right from top to bottom, or in the government position, everywhere they are the now uh, asserting very strongly. Understand now, or in the name of Dalit, they and this Dalit is the term of their assertions or expressing their strength. Understand? So or about the Dalit and tribals now also, they are the using this tribalism. Tribally, the word tribalism also now gives the strength and the strength and symbol of the unity. This term, under this term, they are unified, and tribals are still at the Dalit are struggling for the justice, for the honor in the society. Still, they are struggling for that, and their voice in a democratic pattern of the government. Understand? Their voices, for their voices. Understand? And for their share in the democratic politics. On the other hand, the tribals are now are the still during the colonial period, massive exploitation happened, and even after the internal 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 colonism, they are the groaning under the internal, because how because how the even our independent government, our democratic government did not address the problem of the tribals as the tribals wanted or that they needed, in the name of the development. In the name of development, the government did not address their problem. Understand? So the tribals are now making the efforts for the for their address, for their identity, and moreover they want their old customary rights. They want back their lands. They want the now preservation of their customary rights, their custom, their and their cultures. They want to preservance of their culture, and moreover, they want the drive out the infiltrators and the outsiders into their those who have the infiltrate, they have come or influx in their surroundings, or in their surroundings of their jungle or within the jungle. Understand? In the name of the development, so they want their own independent autonomy, and they got the success. And so you have seen that like in the Jharkhand as a separate states, and the Chhattisgarh in that form. This is the as a mark of the success of the tribals movements in India. Now, students, the last but not least, we are going to address the problem of the disables in India. Understand? Or here are the disables. It differently abled are not disabled, not here the differently abled. Abled are not disabled only because they are the physically or mentally impaired. They are the disables. Are not only disables because that they are the physically or mentally impaired. Now, but also because our society is built in a manner that does not cater to their needs. So our social system, our society, our social attitudes, our society has been built in the way that their needs are not addressed. Their needs are not catered. Understand? So that is the, or in contrast, struggle over the Dalit or Adivasi for rights. The right of the disabled have been recognized very recently. Although the movement, the movement for the Dalit rights, movements for the women's rights, and the movements for the tribals restoration, understand, is the going on for a very long time, and the forest. But the Dalit movement is the have been the movement is the very recent movement. Here, the tribals movement, the disabled movement is the very recent movement. Not so far whether the either the government or the any organization have been the very effective or the raise the disabled movement. Understand? So it is the very recent, and moreover, in all period, all societies, they have been the people who are the disabled, or this in all societies and everywhere the disabled say these issues have been the existing or leading scholars disability of the Indian context, and the here the know the one of the leading activities of scholars disability in Indian context. One thing is that Anita Ghai, one of the leaders and one of the sociologists, and we can say Anita Ghai, the argue that invisibility of the disabled can be the compared to the invisible man of the Ralph Ellison. Ralph Ellison, understand? He is a novel. He has written this novel, understand? Novel at the Invisible Man. uh, Invisible Man. Ellison's novel, the name is the very much famous. His novel is very much famous. Or now he through this novel, he wanted, now he intended to show the discrimination, racial discrimination, which is practiced in America, in United States America, racial discrimination. Through this invisible man, okay, Rolf Ellison wanted to show this world how these now he had compared the disabled who are the still living and among us, but they are the ignored, or they are the now they are ignored, or they are invisible because we don't address them, we don't try to touch their issues, and they are the neglected or the avoided. Understand? To show the invisibility. So here the quotation, a few lines have been the quoted from the lines of the from these lines of lines of this novel, but that I am invisible. Invisible, understand? Simply because people refuse to see me, like the bodiless heads, you see na, like the bodiless head, you see only body, Rahu and Ketu, and sometimes in the circus side, circuit side slow shows, and it is as though I have I have been surrounded by the mirrors, hard distorting glass. Now he just depicts that blacks about it. He is the surrounded, hard distorting the glass. When they approach me, they see only my surroundings. As they approach him, the blacks, what the one one can see the surroundings, only themselves, figments of their imagination, imagination, indeed everything, and the everything except me, everything can be the seen there, but the except the him. So he see that because entire people are visible in the society, all are the visible, but these blacks are the invisible. Even the people are now looking, but he is not being. Understand? So now this is the problem he has addressed, and moreover, disables the significance because draws the attentions of the public perception. Here we can say that how the public perception is about the Dalit, about the disabled, the public perceptions of the disabled needs to be the questioned. Here the public perception of the people needs to be the questioned. Now, first thing, disability understood as the biological given. It is the wholly and completely the public perception that disability is the seen as a biological given. It is the biologically given by the God. It is the right. You can some extent that whenever a disabled person is the confronted with the problems, and whenever he had the any problem, and the disability is the synonyms of the problem, and it is the taken for granted. It is that problem originates from her impairment. Now it is the granted that the problem, all problem related to a disabled, related to the disabled because of his or her impairments. This is the reason of that. Nothing else is the reason of the problem of a disabled. Only his impairment is the problem, main cause of the problem. No, it is the not just attitude and the perception which the our society carry in their minds. And the moreover, now the disabled person is seen as a victim. Victim of what? Disability. He is seen as a victim. Disability is supposed to be the linked with the disabled individual's self perception, and it is supposed to be the linked with a disabled individual's self perception. It is the suppose. Moreover, the very idea of disability suggests that they are in the need of the help. These disabled are in the need of the help. This perception, these are the perception of our society. Our society now perceives in the way, and moreover, in India, now levels. Here we are going to talk about the levels. What the levels? The Dalits are the leveled or addressed by the many derogative terms, and the words is given to them. Understand? Very derogative words are they are addressed by that. First, handicapped, crippled, they are called, and the blind, deaf. Now India label as blind, deaf synonymously. These are the synonyms of a disabled person. Blind, crippled. Often these terms are hurled at the people say at the insult, and these terms are also used to insult a person for insulting the someone now, and he is the fit man and the perfect. Even then, these words are the now. Why these words are to insulting the someone? So we can understand that how these disabled say term given to the disabled say actually now insulting terms. Understand? Hurt them because these terms are used for a fit man, a perfect man, or these are the just like the insulting terms and the given to the disables. How they pain they getting by our societies. Moreover, all deviations from the perfect body signify the abnormality. All deviation. Suppose that someone is have the some different formation of the body. Okay, so these are distracted from the body. So this is supposed to be the abnormality, defect, or distortion. Labels such they are the these disables are labeled how? Bechara, the poor thing. Bechara, it means that the poor thing. Ki bechara, blind bechara. Understand? Lame bechara, deaf bechara, mute bechara. So these terms are the now used for them, or this accentuate the victim status. This also now accentuate makes the worse status for the disabled person. This accentuates their insult and their condition. And worse, the root of the attitudes lie in the cultural conception, and this has become a cultural conception in our country. A cultural conception that view an impaired body as a result of the fate, and this is the impaired body in the what? This is the result of his or her fate. That depends on destiny is the seen as the culprit for for their for their distress. Now destiny is now supposed to be the culprit and the accused for that. Accused, and the disabled peoples are the victims, and moreover, the disabled peoples are the victim of that. The common perception views a disability as the retribution, the past karma. This is the common perception of our society. Ki now this is the past karma, any past deeds of the society, the past deeds of a disabled person. Whatever he had been in the past. So now this is the reflection. This is the he is now coming in the as a result for him or the her. And the dominant culture a construction in India therefore look disability as a essentially a characteristics of the individual. This is the popular image of the mythology portrait disabled in the extremely negative fashion. In the mythology, they are the term as a extreme. They are extreme of the disabled's negative fashions. They are the supposed and they are the their images have been the given even in the mythological story. Moreover, here disabled challenges each of these assumption. Now, the terms such as here many assumptions have been the mentally challenged, visually impaired, physically impaired come to replace the more trite negative terms such as the retarded, and the uh, more trite negative terms have been used for them. Apart from what? Retarded, crippled, retarded, lame, and the disabled are the rendered disabled not because they are the biologically, they are the rendered disabled not because biologically disabled, but because society renders them so. Biologically, they are the disabled may or, but the moreover the our society renders them, makes them the disabled. Our social system in such way that now presses and helps in making them their condition worse, bad to worse. Understand? So this is the condition. We are disabled by the buildings that are not designated to admit us. Here is the are this in turn leads to a range of the further disablements regarding the our education or our chances of the gaining employment or the social our social lives and the so on. The disablement lies in the construction of the societies. Disabled lies in the construction of society. Society makes the people much more disabled. It accentuate society accentuate their pains and their trouble. Makes the multiply this by the using these terms. Understand there and the moreover society not in physically condition of the individual. Society makes them the disabled by terming this, giving the term by giving the terms of such terms. So now here they are the much disabled because of our social attitude or because of our social perception rather than their physical disability. Here, the social construction of the disability has eight another dimensions. Now here we can see that they have another. There is a closer relations between disability and the poverty. Here we see that a closer relations between the disability and the poverty. Malnutrition, poverty and disability are the synonyms. Malnutrition, nutrition, mothers weakened by the frequent childbirth and the inadequate uh, immunizations programs. Immunization programs are not so adequate and it is not reach out to them, and moreover programs accidents in the overcrowded homes. Accidents are also a reason for the disability. All contribute to an and the incidence of disability among the poor people, particularly disability are resides in the poor sites in the poverty, where the disability exists in the poverty, or rather than the higher among the living easier circumstances. Furthermore, disability creates and the and now exacerbate rates poverty by the increasing the isolation of economic strain. By the isolation of economic strain, thus not just for the individual but for the family. Here there is a little doubt that disabled peoples are among the poorest in the poor country. They are the poorest in the poor country. We can see, or here we are going to significantly efforts to redress the situation have come from the disabled themselves. Now the certain efforts the disabled are making now. Certain efforts are coming from them. Government, but the government's drives or initiation respond to the notification of the box. You can see that how the government has taken the initiation or taking the about that information. 5.8 box number you can now find out where it is only the recently with the efforts disabled themselves that come awareness is the building in society on need to rethink about the disability. So the society must have to be the rethink about it. This is the illustrate of the newspaper reports in the next page. Recognition of the disability is absent from the wider educational course discourses. This is the absent disability recognition of disability is absent from wider educational discourse. This is the evident from the historical practices within the educational system that continue to marginalize the issue of the disability. Okay, and by the maintaining two separate streams, one for disabled students and the for one for the everyone. Okay, the students, I suppose that this chapter is supposed to be the end and the finished we have. So the we have seen the different aspects of the sociology in this, or one more chapter from this book remains the that is the diversities, challenge of the diversity. Okay, challenge of diversities one, and the some of the chapters is from the chapter have been I have to the teach from the other next book. Okay, so let's see the which topic the rest other topic we shall start. So today uh, this is the end of this chapter. Understand over here, and I suppose the we focus on the disabled movements, very or the women's movement, women's condition, or a tribals movement, or a Dalit. Understand? These in this chapter, the exclusion or stereotype, discrimination. Okay, these all we shall study in this chapter, and you will revise this. Take the revision of 1 or 2. The next chapter, what will be the after the your examination, that is or your test which is going to be the happened. After that we shall start the new chapter. I will start. Okay, students. So for the only 2 chapter is coming in the this test. So I hope that pattern of the asking the objective pattern you know very well. Na? Each line, each every line must be and well understood. Then in the option you can do one of many dates, understand phenomena, everything. Even in the box you will study from the box sources. Understand from there you should be the study. Everywhere your eyes should go for learning. Okay, so this is the so much today. Topic is over, and new chapter will start. Thank you very much. Keep on your study.